Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are in the city of Denain. As you can clearly see behind me, we are at the train station. It is raining and the weather is extremely bad. My umbrella might not be able to resist it. Nonetheless, Denain is located in the Hauts-de-France region, that's in the north of France, and it sits timidly on the left bank of the Scheldt. Also, what makes Denain a very important city is that in 2012, the northern mining basin of Nord-Pas-de-Calais was put on the UNESCO heritage list. Two elements of the remaining mining heritage that remain on the list are Le Terri Renard and La Fosse Mathilde. Furthermore, the association based in Mining World Heritage in the north was established in June 2016. So it stopped raining for the moment, so that's pretty great. And right now we are approaching the center of the city, which should be a little bit more lively. I'm super excited. So let's see what this city has to offer. So this is what the Christmas market or the Christmas village at Denain looks like. I am impressed. You can see that there are a few rides and activities for children. This is a skating ring or arena. And there's a Santa Claus who has been very much decorated with lights. Okay, not bad, Denain, not bad. In that direction, just adjacent the Christmas village or the Christmas market, we have a conference room as well as a omnisports room. I'm not sure if we'll go in that direction, but let's keep it in mind. Oh, so there's a commercial center. That should be interesting. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record inside because I wasn't allowed to. I could have hide and done it, of course, but it doesn't make any sense. So in front of me, we have a Megarama. I don't know what that is. There's also a McDonald's. Denain is much more impressive than I thought, because that Megarama place that I wasn't sure what it was, it's actually a movie theater. You can see it there. And in front of me just now you have Burger King, and you have a boulangerie, you have Rapid Floor. So this is actually a pretty nice city. You have enough things to keep young people occupied. By the way, I have no idea who it was that called me in that car. So yeah, with that said, that is our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog of Denain. If you want to see more of the city, don't hesitate to come here, stop by. And with that said, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.